Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. Today's video, I'll take you to cognitiveclass.ai where you can take free courses in data science with Python from IBM. So the link will be shared in the description section. When you come to their website, you see the search bar there and you search for Python for data science. Okay. Now when you search for the Python for data science, you see some courses which is offered by IBM. So we have the data analysis with Python, Python for data science, data visualization with Python. Okay, so we have these three data science program offered by or provided by IBM. Okay, so let's select the first one. That is data science, data analysis with Python. Okay, so you see the description. Okay, at a glance. Okay, so data analysis has always been a very important field and highly demanded skills. So you can read it. So the estimated effort is 3 hours. The level is beginner, and the skills you learn data science, Python, and also data analysis. And the language is English. So these are the things you learn how to. And these are the syllables. And it's for free. And it's for free, offered by IBM. So you log in and enroll. And it comes with certificate too. Okay, so let's try another course. The data visualization with Python. Okay, so it also give us a description. Okay, so this 3 to 4 hours beginners, and the syllabus also follows. Okay, so the basic visualization tools you learn is the area plot, histogram, and the bar charts. Okay, so requirements. So again, if you want to know the roadmap to this programs or this course, you can take this course. It's just 3 to 4 hours, and Python for data science, I think, has the longest length. That is 20 hours for beginners. Okay, so you can also log in and enroll for free. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you in the next video. Peace.